Hello and welcome to this review of CampSnap digital camera. This is a really interesting camera and this could be really good for you or this could not be a good idea for you. So let me review it. So the first thing you'll notice is while this is a digital camera, it has no screen, has a tiny viewfinder and it has a shot count. It has a nice place to put your thumb. It's got a button on the top to take the picture. Now you'll also notice where are the dials. So it's fully automatic. You can't change anything. You can't change the focus. It's almost like an old disposable camera. You take a picture, that's it. The only thing you can change is the flash setting because you have a flash here which is an LED and you can set it to on, you can set it to auto, or you can set it to off. To operate it, you hold down this button for 3 to 5 seconds and it turns on. Now you'll see I've done 47 shots on this already. You'll hear a beep out of this speaker here. To take a shot, you just press the button. And at some point it takes a shot. It's not as instant as we're used to, but it does take a shot. Down the bottom, we have an area for a micro SD, but it comes with a micro SD. You can take this out and upgrade it if you want. And here we've got a USB-C charging port, and that is it. If you want to look at your images, you need to just plug this into your computer and you're going to be able to access the files there. Files are JPEGs only. And at the moment, this camera is set to just be like on a standard film emulation. You can change the firmware so that it shoots in black and white, and you can change the firmware so it shoots in a slightly different film emulation, and that is it. This is a fully plastic camera, very, very lightweight. You might be thinking, well, what's the point of it? Well, the point is this forms, for me, a very good street camera or a very good everyday camera. I can give this to my children and be happy that if they lost it, broke it or damage it, it wouldn't be my phone that they've dropped down a sewer or dropped off a waterfall or anything like that. So this is quite good for the use case of giving this to people to use. So let's talk conclusions now. What did I think of this camera? Well, I actually really enjoyed using it. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and it's really nice just to have something really simple that you're not worried about that you can use. The picture is grainy, but I'm still quite happy with the picture I get. And as you can see here, I went out and I did a little bit of sort of walking around photography and I got these shots. So they're not as good as a full-blown proper camera, but I don't think that matters for the type of things I would use it for. I will be taking this out with me lots of places. I don't need to worry about things like lens caps because the lens is so recessed, it's not going to get damaged. This is going to be quite hard wearing because there isn't much to get damaged really. What I also like about it is, as I said, I can give it to my children and say off you go. They can use it. It's really, really simple. So it's not as good as your smartphone camera. It's not as good as a proper camera, but it still has some use cases. I'm in the UK and this cost me £53 and it was shipped and arrived fairly quickly.